Now, when we're looking at this, by technicality, the swing low is this once here, right? And the high is there based on the movement, the entire movement, right? But yet in the very same line, during the push to the downside, if we were to consider anything that simply remotes the swing low of the yearly low of 2022, it would be us considering somewhere around this part here. So meaning that this part here, it will be a reference to us being considered as the yearly low of the entire price movement, right? The entire movement of 2022. Are we okay with that? Are we okay with that? So meaning that like if we were to apply this into the mix, that will tell us that based on the previous year's movement, the market has been at a state of equilibrium, meaning buyers and sellers, they currently agreeing at the 104 500 price range, meaning that they are okay, they are comfortable around that price range, right? So if we were to consider that based on the Dow theory, the market will still be regarded as being in a bullish trend until a significant swing low has been broken. That means that this would be the one that we would consider. This would be the swing low that would be considered as a change in trend, right? Do we agree on that, or is there an element of disagreement on that? So that means that that would be an area where it should show a significant amount of this being a change in trend. So technically speaking, based on the application of Dow theory, we are in a bullish trend until a significant swing low has been broken or liquidated. Now, this itself poses an interesting question, right? Then now when we go into this is something, when we go into this, right? Because now, on a macro scale, in terms of the Dow theory, right now, the application is on the Dow theory, basically, right? So now, let's say that if we are looking at this in terms of the Dow theory, this is something that poses a question that also requires an answer. What defines a swing low or a swing high? Basically, what defines a swing? Let's put it that way. Hmm? I'm asking a simple question that requires a simple answer. What defines a swing? What is a swing? Guys, a shift in price or the market. I'll say that an area in which price lifts rapidly. A turn point within the market, a sharp turn that creates a greater change in price. Have you ever researched or looked at what is a swing high or a swing low? What makes a swing low or a swing high, or what makes something being regarded as a swing high or a swing low? What gives it its validity? Okay, let's shift the thing, and I'll ask you a question. What makes a man? If you were to define someone as being a man, what are the characteristics? What are the qualities of a man? Because if we're saying that someone is a man, there must be definitive characteristics aside from the biological, the biological observation, like, oh, okay, he has 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What, we're not saying a male, what makes a male, but we're saying what makes a man. Okay, let's shift it and then change it now because this will be a bit complicated. Let's bring it back and make it simple. What makes a father? What are the characteristics and qualities of a father? What's that? There is a person who has a child but not present within the child's life. Does that make him a father? There's a person who can they be equally described as being fathers? That's a dead. Okay. You understand? A man that provides and takes of mother and child, meaning that a man is someone, a man or a father is someone who assumes responsibilities. You can distinguish between, right? So now, in the very same light, just think about what makes a swing high or a swing low. In the very same light, what makes a swing high and a swing low? Because if we are going to regard it as a sharp 10, then okay, we understand that part. But how can we define it in terms of its significance or if of its importance? Because something has to have an impact for us to consider it. Right now, right now, right now, we're looking at the market. All this thing here, it's information that is being relayed. Okay. If we are going to look at each and every information individually, chances are we will miss the play, basically. Right now, let's say you're watching a play. Um, Simple Romeo and Juliet. You're watching the play, basically, not the movie, but the play. You're watching the play. If you fixate and focus solely on Juliet, you will miss what Romeo is saying. Meaning that your entire focus will be focused on that person, but not on the entire play itself. So now, if we go into look and say that each and every swing low it's of significance, that means that increases the probabilities of us being in a position where we actually miss the swing low that has high probabilities because we have selected each and everything that looks and sound like a swing low. Do you guys get what I'm saying? Because, okay, now by illustration, this can be regarded as a swing low. This can be regarded as swing low. This can be regarded as a swing low.